Hey, all you viewers. Today I'm Garrett. And today you're taking a look at my kitchen. Come take a walk with me. Hey everyone, this is my first video, so make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe. Cause today we got one of my favorites. Doing banana bread today. Let's hop right into it. So let's first we're gonna talk ingredients. What you'll need for banana bread is a banana. Let's get right into it. First, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take the banana and you're gonna want to go ahead and put that in the oven. First, what you're gonna want to do is you want to preheat the oven. Now, the way you should preheat the oven is you want to get it kind of warm. Let's take a closer look. The rule of thumb I like to use for preheating my oven is I definitely want to go warmer than room temperature, but not quite as warm as, say, the sun. So I like to start mine. Usually I like to start it around 96 degrees. Okay, that'll work. Now you're gonna want to put the banana in the oven. Now that it's preheated, you're gonna want to take the banana, go ahead and toss it in the oven. And now we'll just wait a little. Hey, look at that. That was pretty quick. Let's see how our banana bread turned out. That sure smells really good to me. Let's see if let's see how it turned out. Wow. I rate this good looking bread. Make sure to smash that subscribe and leave a like. And I bet this tastes pretty good. But trust me when I say that you will go bananas when you eat this banana bread. So